Raw garlic and honey for weight loss. If weight loss is on your mind, you would probably want to achieve your desired weight as quickly as possible. It is a fact that losing weight is just not easy, but with some dietary changes and habits, you can speed up the process. Weight loss includes many things, including exercising daily, eating healthy snacks, drinking warm water, etc. We are sure that you know almost everything which one should do in order to lose weight easily and faster, but here, in this video, we are sharing a very little known home remedy that works when you're on a weight loss journey. Want to know what's that? So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Garlic and honey. Surely, the combo of garlic and honey may not seem very delicious, but it is very beneficial for your health as well as weight loss. It can improve your overall health conditions. Consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach can also aid digestion and detoxification. Both honey and garlic are one of the healthiest ingredients which can be added in any food. There are many health benefits of honey as well as garlic. So, when you combine them together, what benefits you get out of it? Health benefits of honey and garlic. 1. The combination of honey and garlic can lower your blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels in the body. 2. They can be beneficial in fighting with cold and flu. 3. They can improve your digestion and treat many digestion-related diseases. 4. They can boost your immune system. 5. They can detoxify your body by removing the toxins. 6. They can improve your liver's health. 7. They can be used for treating many types of heart diseases as well as diabetes. How to use garlic and honey for weight loss. You can prepare this weight loss remedy by simply putting honey in a glass jar and then putting freshly peeled garlic cloves in it. Now, close the lid and give the jar a gentle shake to cover the garlic cloves completely in honey. Let the combo sit for a while and then eat one clove each morning. Store the rest in the glass jar and consume one each day. One more thing that makes this remedy a must-try for you is that it can improve your skin's health and prevent breakouts, because both the ingredients are natural blood purifiers. So, give it a try and let us know how this worked for you. Do share this with your friends or family members who are trying to lose weight. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.